Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Twins and Toys! Hello? Today is very special.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video. You girls want to join me?
Sure!
Okay, take a seat. What a fun day! Okay, girls, what are we doing today?
Green marker challenge!
Yay!
Why is your mouth so big?
That was rude.
You have big teeth. Actually, small teeth. I see.
Let's color!
Yay!
Who's that?
Well, hello, girls. What are you doing?
We are doing the green marker challenge.
Ugh, the 3-marker challenge. Let me guess, Elsa taught you that one. I have something funner.
What?
The 3 Squishy challenge. All right, girls, let's get started. Ta-da!
Aw, cute little kitty.
It's a little penguin. Are you ready for yours?
Yes.
Okay.
So cute little. Look at the cute little.
That one's name is Sammy.
What's mine?
Scooter.
That's my cat.
I know.
No, mine's name is Lilly.
Aw, Sammy, and my name is Pingu.
No, my name is.
Okay, it's marker time. Who wants to go first?
Me.
I'll go first. Just to review the rules, we each get to choose 3 markers without peeking. And then we'll color our squishies. And in the end, you get to vote and see who does the best. Okay, here I go. First marker is, gold. Okay, I can work with that. Second marker, red. I like red. Third marker, blue. Lily, you shall go down.
Okay, those are some.
No peeking.
This one is green.
Ooh.
Right, I can work with this one, which is what I'm going to use it for. The second one is yellow. And the third one is pink.
Ooh.
One of the colors that I really want to use.
Okay, Kate, your turn.
I got blue.
Very pretty.
And the second one is orange.
Ooh.
Red. Oh, no? It's orange. Oh, yeah, orange. And then last one is red. Okay. So we're going.
Mine, all mine. I want all the markers. Mine.
Shark.
Don't I get to color?
Yes?
I do,
Yes.
but I don't have any arms. I will just watch and laugh.
Shut your mouth, shark.
Sorry.
Okay, let's begin. Shake your markers and begin.
I'm going to use.
Ooh. Oopsie.
Mine's still not working.
What do you guys think they're doing? I think they're doing a good job. But I really want to eat them.
What?
Oops, they weren't supposed to hear me.
Do you guys know any shark songs?
Yes.
What?
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do.
Do you not know that song?
Yes. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. I wonder how it works.
I know, mine works. Wow, this is so cool.
How does it work?
There you go.
Okay.
Dab your marker on that until it
Okay.
works.
I'm going to kind of pink. Oh. It's working.
Keep going. Ta-da! Very, very good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shoot.
It's fine.
It's nice.
Oh, wait, oh, I almost forgot.
Okay, are you guys having as much fun as me?
Yep. Uh-huh.
Seriously, this is so pretty. Just look at it. Just look at it.
Look at mine.
Aw, show everybody.
Can I taste your cat?
No.
But she smells delicious!
No.
Please?
No.
But I'm hungry, I want a snack.
Fine.
Really?
Yes.
I don't actually eat cat.
What?
I'm a vegetarian.
What?
Bye!
Why? Well, then why'd you ask for it?
He gone.
He gone. He gone.
He gone.
This is gonna be hard. I'm gonna have to color this thing.
Mm.
Hello!
Yeah. What?
How's it going?
Good.
You having fun coloring?
Yes.
Can I color? With my mouth.
Sure. You can color with mine.
I can.
Yep.
I might swallow the marker, and that would ruin the challenge.
Oh.
Sorry.
I wouldn't mind.
Maleficent, you scare me.
Boo.
Ah!
Crazy shark.
Scared of just a boo. Ta-da! I'm almost done. Halfway done.
Did you guys see Maleficent? She's so scary. Ah!
Not that scary. You gotta wait until these are dry because it's fake. Wait, those? Yeah. I'm serious, look. Your guys' looks nice.
Aw, thanks. Yours looks nice.
Yep. Oh, I have to tell you about my sisters. So what's like at your house?
Everything is black. And there are crows everywhere. That's my house.
Stone. What are you gonna use that for? Oh, for the back?
No. I'll probably paint its tummy red.
Oh, like it's bleeding?
No. Just like it's red.
Oh, like it's cold?
Well, I don't know.
I'd rather say like it is dead.
I think what I'm going to give it is gold eyes, actually.
But, ooh, can I see?
Jump up, please.
Why gold eyes and not blue eyes?
All right, girls, are you done?
Yes.
Here's mine and the backside.
And here's mine, like this. Mine totally looks like a robot. And then this, and then this. Mine is kind of racing, but here's this and here's this. It's kind of racing, so it doesn't exactly look like what I wanted it.
Ta-da! Squish it. Ready, set, squish. And go.
Here's one.
All right, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below on who you think won the challenge.
It's so fun. Let's hope that there's no thumbs down.
Pick me.
Pick Mama. Me.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Did you see the princess doll we had hiding in the background? Comment below with who it was. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And click the bell for notifications. Bye.